Valorant Windows 11 tpm 2.0 and secure boot error fix Gigabyte B550M Motherboard. Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant Windows 11 tpm 2.0. First, restart the PC and press the delete key to enter BIOS. Now, go to Settings, select Miscellaneous, and choose Trusted Computing. Here, set Security Device Support to Enabled. After that, enable AMD 5 go to Settings, choose Boot, and select Secure Boot. Set Secure Boot to Enabled and change mode to Standard or Default. Under Settings, select Boot, choose CSM Support, and set CSM Support to Disabled. Press F10 to save changes and exit BIOS. After a restart, press Win+R, type tpm.msg and confirm that TPM is ready. Press Win+R, type Confirm BIOS mode is UEFI and Secure Boot state is on. Then, update BIOS if needed from Gigabyte website. Finally, launch Riot client and open Valorant error should be fixed. That's it, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.